Hello guys, Massey from XAMPP IT Solutions here, and today I'm going to show you how to create a menu in landing page with Elementor. So as you know, landing page is one page website with several sections. Most of the time we need to connect the menu items in different sections. Like our website we already created in previous videos, your objective come here, or pricing come here, or something like that. So for this purpose we need to add an ID, to give an ID for the section, and then call the ID from the link the ID from to the menu items. We have a tools in Elementor, and it is menu anchor here. So we use menu anchor for this purpose. So in the Elementor page builder, in the page editor, I will create a new sections just right here. One column sections, and fit to screen, go to the style, add a background photo. Let's pick this one, and background overlay, make it a little bit darker. Okay, and then I will add a heading here, and eat more fruits, and then make it white, and typography, make it big like 60, and transform, make it uppercase, and then align in the center, and update. That's it. We create a new section, and now I will add a menu anchor to this part, just above the heading, and add an ID for that. Which ID? Let's call it diet, D-I-E-T. And that's it. Update. We are done here, and then we can go to the appearance menu and come to the menu page, and now we're gonna add an item to our top menu. So we go to the custom links here, and our address is localhost/my/gym/hashtag DIET. Don't forget to put hashtag here, and link text, I call it like diet, and add to menu. Just came here, save the menu, and then I go to the page and refresh our page, and it's here. When I click on that, it comes to this section. Yeah, it's so easy. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.